Hey guys, welcome back. This is day number 59 of trading futures every day until they become profitable. So a few things to talk about and go over today. One of the comments was talking about how I don't take enough trades. I should be taking more trades and stuff. And the model that I'm trading doesn't present like more than usually 2 trades a day. But I've been watching more ICT related videos and I found a couple ways to use the model now that I wasn't making use of before. So I should be able to get more setups now. And as you'll see, there was kind of 3 setups if you count the one that you can see on the screen right now before New York Open. But yeah, before I show you guys that, I feel like it's time to do some self-reflection here with trading, because people talk to me about how disciplined I am waiting for trades and stuff, only taking my setup and being patient. But honestly, I think the main reason I take so few trades and I'm so quote unquote patient is because I'm scared to like actually dive deep into the live market. I'm still afraid of losing. So I'm going to keep this in mind from now on and try to tackle this like mental wall, because I think that's the real reason why I'm doing so much back testing. I'm like half just trying to stay away from what I'm scared of, which is like on profitability. And I think I'm avoiding it by doing a lot of back testing, but I'm actually just running away from trading low-key by back testing so much. So yeah, I'm going to keep that in mind for the future, but I am glad I finally realized it so I can like smarten up. Besides, I'll tell you right now, the back testing that I was doing for this like model that I made up myself kind of thing, which is connected to ICT, it is like totally break even. I've back tested 3.5 months now and it is like super break even. So I'm probably gonna stop back testing that and focus more on what I should be doing every day. I'll show you guys the trades now. Okay, so I was on the charts here because 8 a.m. for New York is 9:30 for me. So I was here on the charts and seen this opportunity. It was inside of a macro time. It swept the 4-hour low, the Asia low, and it was inside of a 4-hour fair value gap. Then it inversed this 1 minute. Stop loss was below the candle that broke through, and I was just aiming for 1-to-1 just to see what would happen, but I didn't take this trade because it was before my time. In the future, maybe I'll work in looking for trades in the macros before New York Open. I'm not sure. That's just a thought that just came to mind, but whatever. It did end up running to like 6.5 hour or whatever. But then, unfortunately, right before the accumulation macro, I took this trade at 9:46. We're inside of a 4-hour fair value gap. We swept the internal low right here, and we inversed this 1 minute fair value gap. Although these trades almost always work out, this one was actually a loser. And as you can see here, my forward test, which I didn't take only because, as you can see, there was this big opening gap right below Sunday open. So I thought that price might want to go down towards that. So I wasn't going to take any longs until price had at least entered this gap, which now looks like it's almost filling. But that's the reason I didn't take it. My brother was like, take it, take it, take it. I was like, man, I can't take this. I forward tested on the 3 minute here. Let me get rid of this garbage here. We were inside of a macro time again. We swept the 4-hour low, Asia low. We had a 3 minute inverse fair value gap, and I was just aiming for 1-to-1. And this trade did win. I was like, that is so unlucky, but yeah, I'm not upset about today at all. I risked $200. I think I lost $200 today, but I'm totally fine with that. I knew the risk when I entered the trade, and I think it was a fine setup. What I'm gonna do from here on out is possibly start getting out of trades if the fair value gap is disrespected after it gets inversed. So if it closes back on the opposite side, then I might get out. But yeah, I'm going to start backtesting this exact strategy that I've been trading every day. And hopefully I can start to see some good results. My brother has been just taking inverse fair value gaps after major sweeps of liquidity in backtesting, because he doesn't have an account right now, but he's going to buy one soon. And it's just been doing so well. He's like 70% win rate over 2 risk reward right in backtesting, right? So I don't know how much of that will translate to the live market once he gets an account, but it's definitely promising. So I want to try to mimic some stats like that, honestly. But if it goes well, I'll definitely share the backtesting stats with you guys. Maybe show you some trades and stuff that I took in backtesting. I don't know, but yeah, that's probably going to be it for today, guys. Quick video, but just want to show you what happened today, how I've been feeling, and what my plan is. Seeing so many people on YouTube succeeding, my brother with backtesting, and so many people trading ICT that are having success. It's impossible to quit, and yeah, I'm just gonna keep going. So wish me luck, and I will see you tomorrow for day number 60 of trading futures every day until they become profitable. Thanks, guys.